Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto G42. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, click on Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on the other device. From here you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner on your Motorola device and Receive on Motorola Moto G42. After that you can click on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select Send over here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of those, so I will go with only one. For example that one, choose Send and click on Got it. Now on Motorola G42, tap on No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now we have the connection ways. If you want to, you can scan this QR code using the scanning icon on Motorola G42, tap in while using the upper only this time and pointing your camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here instead and click on Receive button. As you can see, either way, after a couple of seconds. So sorry, that was a typo. My photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!